Hi there. My name is Jared Pierce. I'm an attorney here in Durham, North Carolina, where I, along with a team of lawyers, practice estate planning and related litigation. I want to take a moment to speak to all the frontline workers, doctors, nurses, and other essential workers to thank you for the tireless work that you've been putting in day in and day out. You've tirelessly been giving to the community, and you've been assisting without recognition on the most part, some of our most vulnerable members of society. Whether you're caring for these individuals in a hospital room or in a therapy room or even in an assisted living facility, it needs to be recognized that you've been working to protect and help patients gain a better tomorrow. And I thank you for that. However, there is an important question or series of questions that I think needs to be addressed. And that basically is, what have you done to prepare for your own care in the event that you become ill or incapacitated? Working with an estate planning firm, you can gain the protection that you and your family need in the event that you become sick or incapacitated. If you're working with incredibly ill people, there's a high probability that you may become sick yourself or incapacitated, or you may be involved in a motor vehicle accident. We don't know what life has in store for us. However, you understand how scary this time is, and you understand the importance of having a plan for protecting a patient's interests. I think it's time that you consider what having a plan for you and your family may look like. I want to ask you to consider exploring using the tools at your disposal to create and protect your future as well as your family's future with estate planning. For example, a revocable living trust. It's an excellent way to manage your property and your money in the event that you can't, whether that's because you're sick or you're incapacitated. The fact of the matter is that most people, contrary to the reality of the situation, believe that a revocable living trust is this legal, convoluted mechanism that only benefits the insanely rich and wealthy. That is not the case. The fact of the matter is that you may benefit from a revocable living trust. And in the event that you're unable to act, or in the event that you become incapacitated, having an individual named as a successor to act and step into your shoes because you can't is incredibly valuable to you and to yours. Moreover, you can create specific instructions in a revocable living trust to protect you and your family to ensure that the successor, is acting the way that you intend for them to act. A financial power of attorney is another document or another mechanism that you may not have considered. A financial power of attorney allows you to appoint a trusted agent to handle financial situations on your behalf, to take actions on your behalf when you may not be able to do so. This person can handle a wide variety of actions on your behalf, whether it's signing checks to opening bank accounts or taking other actions like filing taxes on your behalf, depending on the authority that you've granted to them and depending on how much trust you have in that person. Now, it goes without saying that finding the right agent and being certain that this person has your best interests in heart is going to be an important part of the equation. However, a lot of people don't even know that this agent could be appointed to take care of these actions on your behalf. It's important to recognize the beauty of a financial power of attorney is that you can customize it any which way you need to ensure that your interests are protected and that it advances only those interests you wish to advance. Now, it goes without saying that you're probably incredibly busy right now. You're fighting on behalf of our community to deal with a global pandemic. And it goes without saying that there are a variety of other documents besides those that I've mentioned that could be of assistance to you. But I want to encourage you to take the time that you need to put aside a few moments to reach out to an experienced estate planning lawyer to discuss what you and your family need during these dire circumstances. It is critical that you you carve out this time. We know your time's important. We know your time's valuable. The conversation can begin with a simple phone call. And as we explore and decide together what is in your best interests, we can formulate a plan that protects you and your family from top to bottom. Your estate plan and your plan to protect you and your family shouldn't have to wait until your day off. Take a moment, reach out. We'd be happy to assist if we can. Hope you have a lovely day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.